Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to recover a deleted video or photo in your Instagram account. Let's get into the video. So we'll start by deleting a photo and a video. So guys, we'll delete this photo as you can see. After that we'll delete this video. So guys, we are just deleting that photo and that video. So after that you click on these three horizontal lines. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Your activity. After that you scroll down and you click on current delete. So guys, this is the photo we are just deleting, so we are going to click on it. After that you click on these three dots, you click on what? Restore. After that you click on what? Restore. So we are now going to go now to the video. After that you come here and click on the video again. Once you're there, you click on these three dots here, after which you simply click on what? Restore. Restore. We are going to verify our account. We'll refresh. So guys, as you can see, this is the photo and the video we are just deleting, and we just recovered the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all.